The FXC-A8800 is an x86 modular compute card powered by the AMD Ryzen embedded 8845HS processor, specifically designed for integration with the KiloView RF02 series modular chassis. In this video, we'll walk through the complete system installation and remote desktop configuration step by step. Just follow along and you'll be ready to go. Insert the system USB drive into the Type-C port. Power on the device, and when the logo appears, repeatedly press Delete to enter the BIOS. Navigate to save and exit. Set the USB drive as the first boot device. Then press F10 to save and reboot. After rebooting, the system enters Ventoy. Select the Windows 1124 H2 professional image and press Enter to start automatic installation. Note: multiple system images are supported, including Linux and Windows. This video demonstrates the Windows installation process only. Select language settings. Wait for the automatic installation and system restart. Finally, create a username and password. This password will be required for remote access. Please remember it. After entering the desktop, open the USB drive and run the RF02 Client installer. Follow the default installation steps to complete the setup. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and turn Remote Desktop on. Open a browser and log in to the RF02 Management Platform. The default username and password are admin. Locate the computing card, click Remote Desktop, and enter the username and password you created earlier. You can now remotely control the system successfully. The system installation and remote configuration are now fully completed. You can now start using the FXC-A8800 compute card smoothly. We believe it will bring more possibilities to your workflow.